of Saint John the Baptist. Today is a very special day for all of us, and especially for the people of Goa who love Saint John the Baptist. सांजाव म्हणल्यार सगळेच पार्टी आनी जायते जाण जिन्सा बसाचे पार्ट्यो करतात आनी जायते करतात, पूण I think somehow we are losing the main essence of this feast. This feast is mostly about Saint John the Baptist and Jesus only, not about parties, not about swimming pools, not about beer bash, Sanjam bash. The main word is Sanjam, means Saint John the Baptist. And what Saint John the Baptist did was he tried to be humble and he made a way for Jesus. He made a path for Jesus. So on this day, I wish you all a very happy feast of Saint John the Baptist. And in this institution, St. Andrew's Higher Secondary School, Vasco, we all the students, the teachers, the principal are very happy. We have come out आणि एक मार्च कसो परेड कसो सगळे लोकांक दाखोवपाक आमकां कितले हे फेस्त मानवता आनी कितले फेस्त गरजेचे ते. सो मागता सगळ्यांनी तुमचे काळजां देवाक दवरची आनी सांजवांक आपलो मान आनी रेस्पेक्ट दिवचो.
We are all gathered here today to celebrate with great joy one of the beautiful festivals in Goa, and that is Sanjuan. It is the feast of Saint John the Baptist, who was a great saint who welcomed the Lord Jesus 2,000 years ago. But what is the most beautiful features of this feast is Saint John the Baptist stood for three important virtues: simplicity, humility, and respect for others. So we here at St. Andrew's High Secondary School celebrate all the festivals in Goa. A few days back we celebrated Eid. Today we are celebrating Sanjuan. And a few months later we'll be celebrating the Ganesh Chaturthi. There are three important things that we would want to convey to the celebration of all these festivals. First is we want to teach our students that we need to respect each other's religion. Secondly, we need to tell our students we need to celebrate each other's religion. And thirdly, we want to spread this message that we need to live in peace and harmony. This celebration of Sanjuan is basically to give the same message of peace and harmony
to lead us through this fun and excitement.
To all my Goan brothers and sisters, I would like to say Happy Feast of Saint John the Baptist. Viva Sanjuan, Viva Goa.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.